Draw a curve given by some function f of x. Pick a point on that curve A. Drop the perpendicular from A to the x and y axes. The horizontal distance to A is x. The vertical distance to A is f of x. Pick a second point on the curve B. Drop the perpendicular to the x and y axes. The horizontal distance to B is x plus h. The vertical distance to B is f of x plus h. Now draw the chord from point A to point B. The gradient of this chord is given by the y distance, f of x plus h minus f of x, divided by the x distance, which is h. In this instance, the gradient of this chord is the value 0.7. Now the actual gradient at point A is the value 0.4. As the point B tends towards the point A, the length h tends towards 0, and the gradient of the chord tends towards the gradient of point A. We say that in the limit as h tends towards 0, the gradient f of x plus h minus f of x all upon h actually tends towards the gradient at point A. This new function is defined as the derivative and is written f dash of x.